Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on your TV box by clearing the app cache and freeing up memory so you can install new apps and have your apps run more smoothly. If you have an app that's been freezing a lot, this might help fix it too. That's why it's important for you to watch the video from start to finish, okay? If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave your like so YouTube knows you're enjoying this content and recommends it to other people. Let's get into the video. I'm going to show you how to do this cleanup, free up more memory, and improve your apps for everyday use. So here, guys, you're going to go into settings, okay? In this settings option. Here, you're going to look for the option more settings, okay? And here, you'll look for the storage option. As you can see here, I have 8 gigabytes, right? I've already used almost 5 gigabytes on my TV box, and the space is already running out. Here, it's going to show the internal storage of my TV box. This is the total used, right? And I'm going to access it here, okay? On this screen, guys, it will show images, videos, audio, but what I want right now is to clear the app cache. I'm going to go into apps and select some apps here. As you can see here, it shows the name of the app, and right below it, it shows how much cache that app is using on my TV box. You're going to go in here, for example, into the Netflix app. If it's freezing for me, I can come here and clear the cache. If you choose to clear data, it will reset the app, right? You'll have to log in with your account again to access the app. I recommend clearing the cache because that will free up a lot of memory on your device. Let me see another app one can use here. I'm going to open another app, guys. This one is the file manager, right? Here, I'm going to clear its cache as well. And here, it keeps clearing up memory, right? Like I said, if you clear data there, you'll reset the app as if you just installed it again. So that's what I wanted to show you all. By doing this with the apps you have, you'll free up a lot of space on your TV box. Just take a look right below, guys. It shows how much memory each app is using, and all you have to do is check and clear the cache, which will really help a lot. So that's it, folks. I'll wrap it up here. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. At the end screen, I'll leave 2 videos for you. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you next time. I'm out.